Just like the love and care that goes into baking a family favorite, planning for retirement is about preparing for a future filled with joy and security. Each ingredient in our family cake recipe has a purpose, just like each source of retirement income. Social Security, IRAs, and investments are the building blocks of a secure future. And just as Grandma knows how to blend these ingredients perfectly, a financial professional can help blend your retirement income sources to ensure a sweet and fulfilling retirement. Now, imagine your retirement income as a multi-layer cake, each layer representing a different source of income. The base layer forms the foundation of your monthly income, covering essential living expenses. The middle layer covers your wants, adding extra comfort and enjoyment to your retirement. The top layer is for your wishes, what you hope to pass on to your family. Just like the detail that Grandma puts into delivering her favorite cake, your trusted financial professional can help ensure the details are covered when planning for your income in retirement. Start crafting your perfect retirement recipe today with a financial professional who understands your unique goals.